Okay, I got this. I want to eat more healthy foods coming up in January. And I'm not, too preserved on money because we have champagne tasting beer money and we've got to do that project with that house and other stuff that I've got to buy. I just want to prepare my foods. I think I don't like a lot of plastic items, but this is 21.98. This would be a good buy. So I'm definitely going to purchase that if that's the price. And guys, I'm in my small little car today. I don't know if this is going to get in my car. I need to quit while I'm ahead. Oh my goodness. Look at that little freezer for $2.19. This stand-up freezer for $2.69. Yeah, upright freezer. Yeah, that's too small. That's damaged. Oh wow. Maybe they delivered it to someone and it was damaged in the process. But you can't get anything in there. I don't even know why that would be $200. This is $169. And I have to use freezers for items that I buy. We get the water. We do buy that. But I don't have my large vehicle with me, and I am telling you, I do not know if this stuff is going to fit. Look at that sharp, $139. I know. Do you all use this vacuum cleaner thing, robot, Roomba? $2.89. I don't know. But okay. There's so many people in here. I don't know if... Oh, there's so many people in here. I should quit while I don't know if my car is like, the car that I'm in is like really, really small. But we're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work. They have a lot of unique toys, but this year, I purchased and went all out last year. This year, I'm going to tread lightly with the spending, I swear. Okay. Got a lot of books, a lot of shirts, underwear, socks, stuff like that. Educational items, workbooks for kids, stuff like that. It's definitely busy in here. Definitely busy. I can barely navigate the phone. I'm not a weekend shopper. I may get in the self-checkout line and I've got to do a few transactions. But I will go ahead and show you my haul. I'm getting contractor bags, 600 spoons, these cups, 264 cups. You have the Febreze, the bowls, the Oda band, this set of rubber band. Then I have a thing of garbage bags, coffee, and the Mary Jane. Mary Jane stuff. And that's my haul. That's what I'm getting. With it being so crowded in here, we're gonna get out of here. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to just do a little shop with me in Sam's Wholesale. Those of you who do not shop at Sam's, if you're a business owner or individual, they have accepted individual. I didn't know they had the boiled peanuts here, the individual membership. But I have my Bible, I have my gun, I have my God, I have my Bible, and I have my gun. Until next time, Donna Lisa with Zula Info signing out. Take care of each other. Until next time, bye-bye.